Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Private India.
Hey guys, this is Prasad and you're watching All About India. Thanks for watching this video. Today we completed 6 lakh views. Thank you so much for that. क्योंकि ये मेरे वजह से नहीं, आप लोगों की वजह से we completed 6 lakh views and बहुत ही जल्दी हम कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं 2500 सब्सक्राइबर्स. So thank you so much. I will show you Gauri Shankar Shiv Temple of Chatrapur. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करना मत भूलना. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like that.